The sun beat down on my back, a merciless glare on this unforgiving plains. This was it. Hardcore mode. One life. One chance to build the Minecraft mansion of my dreams. That tiny chest held all my initial resources. Euro humble beginning for a project of such colossal ambition. I felt a nervous excitement, a thrill mixed with a healthy dose of terror. This wasn't just a build, it was a testament to my skill, my resilience, and my sanity. Failure wasn't an option, or so I thought. The sheer scale of the undertaking felt overwhelming, but the vision of a grand estate, a testament to my dedication, burned brightly in my mind. Days bled into weeks. The foundation grew slowly, each block placed with painstaking care. The initial excitement morphed into a focused determination. Sleep became a luxury, replaced by the hypnotic rhythm of block placement and the satisfying thud of the pickaxe. I started small, meticulously laying down a strong base. I planned every detail, sketching out blueprints on my spare inventory. This was more than just a house. It was a sanctuary, a fortress against the dangers of the night and the ever-present threat of death. I was pouring my soul into this project, every sweat bead reflecting my unwavering commitment. Then came the ambition. The grand design started to overwhelm the practical aspects. I envisioned soaring towers, intricate detailing, and a vast interior worthy of a king. My initial plans were long forgotten, replaced by impulsive changes and a chaotic flurry of construction. The elegance of the initial design began to unravel, replaced by a frantic struggle to keep up with my ever-growing ambition. It was beautiful, in a chaotic, breathtakingly ambitious kind of way. The first crack appeared subtly, a minor imperfection I initially ignored, then another, and another. The weight of the upper levels, the hastily constructed supports. Euro it was all starting to crumble. Panic started to set in, the joyous creation turning into a looming disaster. My heart pounded in my chest. I was watching my dreams collapse, literally. I felt a cold sweat forming on my forehead, the reality of my mistake sinking in. I fought against the inevitable. I frantically scrambled for materials, reinforcing supports, patching gaps. My movements were clumsy, fueled by adrenaline and a growing sense of despair. Each placed block was a desperate prayer, a last-ditch effort to salvage my creation. The sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows that reflected my own dwindling hope. The night was coming, and with it, the added pressure of the game's inherent dangers. The inevitable happened, a catastrophic collapse. Sections of the walls crumbled, the towers toppled, sending a cascade of blocks crashing to the ground. The beautiful, ambitious mansion was reduced to a pile of rubble. The silence that followed was deafening, broken only by the gentle sounds of the game's environment. My vision was gone, my hard work destroyed. My heart sank. I stood amidst the ruins, the weight of failure crushing me. Hours of work, days of dedication, all gone in an instant. The exhaustion hit me like a physical blow. The overwhelming sense of loss was almost unbearable. I considered quitting. This was hardcore, one life. The game was over. But then, a flicker of stubbornness ignited within me. I looked at my inventory, at the few remaining resources, the remnants of my ambitious project. The thought of giving up, of letting this defeat define me, fueled a spark of defiance. It wouldn't a Euro be the same, but I had to rebuild. I had to try again. I started to clear the rubble, not with the frantic energy of before, but with a quiet determination. This time, I would be more practical, more careful. This time, ambition wouldn't overshadow practicality. This wasn't a Euro about a grand mansion anymore, but a humble home, a testament to resilience, not to foolish ambition. A fresh start. The sun set on my new home, a far cry from the grandiose mansion I had envisioned. But this small, sturdy house, built with patience and wisdom, felt better than any grand estate ever could. It wasn't a Euro victory in the way I initially hoped for, but it was a victory nonetheless, a testament to the lessons learned, and the strength to pick myself up, brush off the rubble, and rebuild. A lesson learned the hard way.